Uh-oh, it's gonna probably say, oh, here's a screw. Oh, here's a scroll on this. First activation on this thing. Hold on. They're trying it again now. Oh, I forgot to turn it back on in this.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system, or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Your coastal waters forecast for the
But I still got my first activation on my 167s. Let's take a look at the scroll.
Small craft advisory in effect until noon today. Today, northeast winds around 20 knots, diminishing to 10 to 15 knots late in the afternoon. Seas 3 to 5 feet with occasional seas to 6 feet. Tonight, east winds 15 to 20 knots.
Alright. WDFA is going first.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
Oh, Wing says this is a test.
This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. Had this been an actual emergency or dangerous situation, official messages and directions would have followed the alert zone.
This is a required
This test is brought to you by the Florida Division of Emergency Management.
Here goes WSRZ. Alright, that's WDFA.
Maha's parents were both doctors. Her mother, Dr. Truth Postma, was Grandma Nadine's daughter. As Nadine's health declined,
You always wait for this to relay.
eventually, Dr. Postma.
Alright, that's those. There they go.
This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. Had this been an actual emergency or dangerous situation, official messages and directions would have followed the alert zone. This test is brought to you by the Florida Division of Emergency Management, the Florida Association of Broadcasters, and your local broadcast station or cable provider. This concludes the required monthly test.
Alright, that's it.